Hello friends, welcome to Shallwin Cuisine. Today I am going to make Imli chutney used with dahi bhallas, golgappas and other Indian snacks. So let's check what the ingredients are. The ingredients for making Imli chutney are water, 500 grams jaggery, 100 grams Imli, fig, melon seeds, black salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala and red food color as per requirement. First, take imli, dip it in water. Now keep it aside for 1 hour. Now 1 hour has been passed, so boil this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our imlis have been softened, so keep it aside to let it cool. Friends, since jaggery has so much impurities, so I am melting jaggery in 1 cup of water. After melting the jaggery, I will strain it so that all the impurities can be removed. We have to stir it continuously or else the jaggery can burn at the bottom. Now jaggery has been melted, so keep it aside. Now it is time to strain the imli. Now I have removed all the pulp from the imli. First, strain our jaggery syrup in a kadai. Now switch on the gas. Add pulp. Here now I am adding fig and melon seeds. 1 spoon salt. Sprinkle black salt. Half spoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 spoon salt. Now mix well. We have to make this half the quantity that it is right now. Now it has started boiling. Cook it on low flame. We have to give it a thicker consistency. let it boil. Remember, we have to stir it occasionally. Now its quantity has been reduced to half. We will switch off the gas and let it cool. After cooling, it will become more thick. Now our chutney has been cooled down. You can see how thick it is. Here I have not added any food color, but if you want to add, you can add. It is up to your choice. Now Imli chutney is ready. It is looking very perfect. If you like my recipe, then please like and share. And if you have not subscribed, then please do subscribe. Thank you.